Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox another smartwatch from Shopee. This is the T900 Ultra Max guys. And then it's not only a smartwatch but we can also get an earphones. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Hey guys, again, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have here another smartwatch, the T900 Ultra Max. And then what's interesting about this guys is that it has also an earphones. You can get this one guys at Shopee for around 750 pesos. So guys, let's open this one. Okay. So this is the box guys. So we have here the T900 Ultra Max and the earphone, and at the back, okay, as you can see, okay, those are familiar information that we can get. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. So we have here the earphones, alright, and then we also have here the strap, and another one is the silicone strap. It has two straps guys in it. And then we have here the Ultra Max smartwatch. So let's take this one out here. Okay, and let's see what's more in the box. Okay, we have the charger, okay, the wireless charger, and also this is for the earphones, okay, and the manual, and also this is the manual for the earphones and for the watch. So if you have any questions guys, just refer to your manual. Guys, we have here our T900 Ultra Max. Okay, so it says there hello. So let's take a close-up look of our T900 Ultra Max smartwatch. So at the back, so you have here the sensors, and on the right, so we have here the crown and this microphone, and this is the another button here, and on the left we have here the speaker grill, and let's see, this is the shortcut for sports. This is the front of our watch. The bezels, it's fine, okay. And then when we scroll down, so it says no message. And then when we swipe up, so we have here the shortcuts, okay, the typical features that we have. And when we swipe to the right, so we have here the shortcuts widgets. And when we swipe to the left, we have here the watch faces. So let's see what we have guys. Let's count the watch faces. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we've got 10 watch faces. Alright, and then when we tap the crown here, so we have here the features. We have dial, contacts, message, pedometer, sleep, right, sedentary, Bluetooth camera, Bluetooth music, find phone, alarm, and we also have here the setting. So we have here hand light, do not disturb, shock, language, time settings. Okay, you can set that one here, brightness as well, screen time, and password. Okay, moreover, we also have here brightness and the QR code, so you will be using the HryFine application guys. Alright, and then shutdown, touch, and then heart rate. So as you can see, the sensors are lighting up, and then blood pressure monitoring. So this is just for reference guys. It doesn't mean that you have to rely on the watch. We have also blood oxygen, skipping, cycling, climbing, weather, stopwatch, and we also have here the style. So you can choose whatever style you want to use, okay. And then what else? So we have here the Facebook, Skype, and Twitter, WhatsApp, Okay, so whenever you have like notification when you connect this to your phone, then you can see those messages. All right, and then we also have here the calculator. This is the power on and off button here, and shortcut for the sports. Okay, so it's pretty nice, guys. So for only 750 pesos, you can already get a decent watch. So this is good, especially to students. Yes, because it has calculator in it. And then moreover, guys, we have here the earphones. So let's see what we have here. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, so it is lighting up, guys. And then okay, so this is just, you know, like the typical earphones that we have. So of course, for the price, it doesn't really look so premium, but it's not bad, especially if you are using this one just for casual listening to music. Okay, and I'll be trying this one, guys, and I'll let you know my review or my opinion for this one. Alright, guys, so I've actually used these earphones while playing TikTok, and all I can say, guys, is it's doing its job. Yes, it might not be the very good bass, but this one is really reasonable for its price. This is the T900 Ultra Max smartwatch plus the earphones, and you can only get this one, guys, for around 750 pesos. So if you're interested, guys, to get these smartwatch and also the earphones, just tap on the link in the description box and let me know, guys, about your thoughts of this T900 Ultra Max smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions, guys, just comment down below, and if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.